Emma, can I ask you something completely different? Just
Sure.
on G20 and President Donald Trump's utterances and our government's non-response to that. What's the EFF take on that?
Well, Donald Trump he knows what he's doing. America has got the best intelligence in the world. He knows there's no genocide in South Africa. He knows that a tiny minority few that continues to peddle lies about us are actually the ones who are causing unnecessary panic, both here at home and in the international market, which is not in the interest of South Africans, particularly those who are involved in business and more in particular at the agricultural level, because it is the agricultural sector that stands to benefit from those opportunities. And when you close them out, you're closing Afrikaners out, yet you claim to represent the Afrikaners. That's why the Afrikaners had to rise on their own and say this is a complete lie. There's a bit of crime in South Africa. We assist with that matter, but to say there is a genocide is a completely misplaced. Donald Trump doesn't know politics and doesn't know the world itself, and he survives through those who are hero worshipping him, the fanatics who are like him, do not know the implications of what they're talking about, and as a result take extremely wrong decisions. The G20 is going to continue without America and will hand it over to America. It will be successful with or without him. And that will demonstrate to him that he's not Alpha and Omega,